Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com, and today we're going to talk about that slipping clutch. That's right, if you think you need a clutch, the odds are you're going down the road and you decide you're going to hammer it. And once you hammer it, it does nothing but RPM goes all the way up and you're still moving very slowly. Or worst case scenario, you can't get the car into gear anymore, it won't shift from first to second nicely, and finding reverse is nothing but a nightmare. So it's time for a clutch. The clutch is in between the motor and the transmission itself. Big job, you have to drop the tranny. Sometimes you have to pull the motor and tranny out of the car at the same time. But clutch and pressure plate, may as well do them both at the same time. Don't put an old pressure plate inside with a brand new clutch. Just don't do it. You'll really peeve me off. Anyways, clutch, pressure plate, big job. Look it up on the internet. I'm sure there's instructional videos there. It'll show you a step-by-step you can't go wrong by. Basic tools, plus a little bit of an alignment tool. If you do decide to order a clutch and pressure plate from us, take a look at alignment tools. They're only about an extra $10, but it'll make sure that your job goes perfectly. All right, PartsAuto.com. We know you can do it. Get out there and do it.
The part you need.